Are you ready to improve your English in a fun and engaging way? Meet Sofia, a young woman on a journey of self-discovery, growth, and success. Through her story, you'll not only enjoy a captivating tale but also learn practical English vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. This series is perfect for beginners and those looking to refine their English listening skills. Join us and start your journey to better English by following Sofia's inspiring adventures. Let's begin and learn English together. Meet Sofia, a 22-year-old waitress who once thought her dreams were out of reach. Living paycheck to paycheck in a small town, she believed her life was destined to stay the same. But everything changed the moment she decided to learn English. This is her incredible story of transformation from serving tables to running her own business. If she can do it, so can you. 2 years ago, Sofia's mornings began at 6 a.m. She worked long shifts at a local diner, often dealing with impatient customers and endless orders. Her dream was to break free from this routine and explore the world, but one thing held her back: she didn't speak English. Sofia had tried learning before but always gave up. It felt overwhelming. But then, one day, something clicked. A customer walked in, an older woman who spoke no Spanish but needed help. Sofia managed to communicate using basic words and gestures, and the woman's gratitude was unforgettable. That moment made her realize how powerful language could be. From that day, Sofia committed to learning English, no matter how hard it seemed. She started small, 15 minutes a day with a free app, listening to English music, and repeating words out loud. At work, she practiced with English-speaking customers, even if it was just a simple, "How are you?" As the weeks passed, Sofia's confidence grew. She wasn't just learning words, she was unlocking opportunities. Soon, she started holding short conversations with customers who praised her efforts. Each compliment fueled her motivation. One afternoon, a life-changing moment happened. A regular customer, Mr. Carter, noticed Sofia's improving English and her dedication. He told her about a position at his company, which required someone bilingual. Sofia was hesitant. Was she really ready? But Mr. Carter believed in her and encouraged her to apply. Sofia took the leap and prepared tirelessly for the interview. To her amazement, she got the job. It was an entry-level position, but it opened doors to a whole new world. At Mr. Carter's company, Sofia thrived. She continued to improve her English, taking every chance to learn from her colleagues and attending online business courses. Within a year, she was promoted to a management position, handling international clients with ease. Today, Sofia is no longer just an employee. She's the proud owner of her own online business, connecting companies across the globe. She credits her success to one decision: learning English. But Sofia hasn't forgotten her roots. She often returns to the diner, not to serve tables but to inspire others. Her story is proof that no dream is too big and no obstacle is too great. Learning English changed my life. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. If you're watching this, I want you to know, you can do it too. Start small, stay consistent, and believe in yourself. The world is waiting for you. Are you ready to take the first step toward your dreams? If Sofia's story inspired you, hit the like button, share this video with someone who needs motivation, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more life-changing stories. And tell us in the comments, what's your dream, and how will English help you achieve it? Let's inspire each other to succeed.